Hey guys, so today I'm going to try to help you out with researching a vehicle that you're looking to purchase, and also how to value your trade-in so you don't go there into the dealership without, at least a ballpark idea of what your car should be worth. Now, I like to use three websites mainly: Cars.com, AutoTrader, and Car Gurus. I like Car Gurus for a feature that I'll show you right now. So you just pick the make and model of what you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for a Toyota, I don't know, Camry. But you can just enter the zip code right here. Now I just like to look for newer ones because I need warranty because I'm a broke college student and I can't afford if anything breaks down. So 2016 to 2018, let's say less than 32,000 miles, so you have some bumper to bumper, and just kind of filter this price down to about 20,000. And you can see there's one great deal. This is the feature I was talking about. It sorted by great deal, good deal, fair deal. And you can just kind of see right here why this is a great deal, because it's the 2016 same trim SE with 30,000 miles, and they want 17.2. And this is a 2017, so a year newer, 10,000 less miles, and it's $1,000 less. And it just kind of filters all the great deals to the top. So next I'm going to show you how to kind of value your trade. Also, don't go by this. I mean, you want to do more research, but you can just kind of see here that this is a good deal. Now, some dealerships will put the wrong trim level here on purpose. Let's say this isn't really an SC, it's a lower trim, to kind of make it seem like it's a great deal, and it's not. So just kind of do more research on that. Now, as for valuing your trade, you can use NanaGuides or Kelley Blue Book. I like using Kelley Blue Book. You just go here to My Car's Value. And let's say you traded in a 2015 Chevrolet, I don't know, Malibu. You have 50,000 miles. You have an LT trim. And you can just select your options here. Any packages, if you have them, your color, and vehicle condition. Now, they're never really going to give you excellent or very good unless it's like a garage kept with 0 dings. And most people have a few dings, so I usually just go for good. If your car's been in an accident or you have like a bumper damage or anything like that, just kind of go with fair, but usually good's a good number to go by. Now, bear in mind that Kelley Blue Book does not sell cars, so it's more of a guideline number that you should use. So here it's saying the trade's worth about $10,000. Don't go in there demanding $10,000 from the dealership because, again, this is just a guideline. But if they're within like 10 or 15% of this, you should be okay. But if they're like at $4,000 and they're trying to rip you off.